morning, my dear students. Welcome to the science class. My name is Jyoti and I am your science educator. And today we are going to discuss about the chapter that is more about insects. This is the 5th chapter of your science book. We have already completed 4 chapters of your science book. So today let's start discussing about this chapter. In previous chapters we have already discussed about the insects, but in this chapter we will discuss about insects in details. So first of all, you should know that what is an insect. Insects are very small creatures that are commonly found around us. Some creatures can fly with their wings. So creature mean any living being or any animal. So insects are very small animals that are commonly found around us. Some creatures can fly with their wings because they have wings, and some does not have wings, so they can't fly. For example, ant. Ant does not have wings. Alright, so they cannot fly. So there are some example of insects. As you can see in the picture that it is a ladybug. It is the example of insect. This is dragonfly. This is grasshopper. And this is ant, mosquito, butterfly, beetle, moth and bee. These are some examples of insects. Okay, and insects are found everywhere on the earth, on land, in water, and on the plants, on the animals. They are found everywhere. Okay, and insects are the largest animal group on the earth. They are the largest animal group on this whole world. Okay, and insects are about 85% of the whole animal kingdom is made up of insect. So the whole animal kingdom consists 85% of insects. Insects does not have skeleton. They does not have bones at all. So what does they have? What does they consist of? Insects have hard outer covering called exoskeleton. This is the exoskeleton of the insect. Okay, this is the very hard outer covering and it is made up of chitin component. The cell wall of the insects are made up of chitin component and they does not have bones at all. So how they maintain their body posture? Instead of bones, they have exoskeleton, which provide them necessary support and flexibility. Okay, and they have 3 pairs. 3 pair means 6 legs. 3 pair means 6 legs. So they have 3 pairs of legs. Okay, so let's discuss about the body of the insects. Body divided into 3 parts. That can be head, thorax and abdomen. So can you look at the picture? This is the GIF which I have taken from the internet, that it is the head, this is the thorax and it is abdomen. These are 2 antennae and 6 legs of the insects. Okay, so the body is divided into 3 parts, that can be head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, so they have 6 legs and 2 antennae. So now let's discuss about each of the part of insect in detail. First of all, let's discuss about head. Head have a pair of antennae. So can you see these are the antennae? These are the antennae of insects, and they have eyes on the head. These are the eyes of the insects. Okay, and they have mouth part. Alright, so each of the part of the head have different kinds of functions. So they use their antennae to smell or to detect the odor. Okay, so antennae helps them to detect the smell or the odor. Okay, and the pair of eyes, they have composite eyes, which means they have thousands of lenses inside their eyes. And these eyes help them to detect the things around them. The moving things around them, they can see them easily. They can detect moving things easily. So, the composite eyes means they have ability to detect fast movement of the things around them. Okay, so these are the eyes of the housefly. And they have thousands of lenses inside their eyes, through which they can see the moving things around them. Alright, so let's come to the next part of their body. This is the thorax. Thorax means chest of an insect. Okay, the chest of the insect is known as thorax. And it have 3 segments. It have 3 segments. Can you see these 3 segments? 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 segments of the thorax. Okay, so they have 3 pairs of legs. As I have told you that they have 6 legs. Okay, means 3 pairs of legs. You can see the 3 legs on this side and the 3 legs on the next side. Okay, and they also have wings. Some creatures have wings, some does not have wings. They can fly with the help of wings. As I've told you that the wings help them to fly, and some creatures do not have wings at all. For example, ant. Okay, so this is all about thorax. Okay, thorax is the chest of the insect. Okay, so now let's come to the next part. This is the third part of the insect body. This is abdomen. Abdomen is the stomach of an insect. The abdomen of the insect is the third body part. The abdomen is used for digestion and reproduction. There are various kinds of system present in the stomach, as we all possesses inside our bodies. For example, they have heart, and they have circulatory system, they have digestive system, they have excretory system in their abdomen. Okay, the blood circulation includes the circulatory system, and which they eat through their mouth part. They can excrete out with the help of the excretory organs, and they can remove out the waste through the excretory system. Okay, and they also have respiratory system through which they can breathe. Okay, so abdomen have various kinds of functions. They have various kinds of system inside them. Alright, so this is all about abdomen. So these are the 3 parts of insect body. Now let's quick recall all the session we have had today. So the insect are the small creatures, as I've told you. Some have wings and some does not have wings. And they are found everywhere. And they does not have bones at all. Instead of bones, they have exoskeleton, which provide them flexibility as well as necessary support. And they have 3 pairs of legs. Okay, and their body is divided into 3 parts. That can be head, thorax and abdomen. Head have a pair of antennae, composite eyes, that a pair of eyes, and they have mouth parts through which they can eat things. Okay, and a second part is thorax. Thorax have 3 segments and they have 3 pairs of legs. Okay, and in thorax they can have wings or they cannot have wings depending upon the creatures. Okay, and the last part is abdomen. Abdomen have all the systems which can help them to live. This is all about the body of an insect. I hope you like this video. So, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.